Hey everyone, this is Kaylin bringing you this week's patient update. Today we just have some quick updates on the same patients from last week, so let's get right into it. Broadwing Hawk 2637 came to our clinic from Laramie, Wyoming, where it was found grounded. This bird responded well to their treatment for hemoparasites, or parasites found in the blood, and fecal parasites, and has tested clear for both. We are now just monitoring beak regrowth for this bird after we had to trim down the fractured tip. Supplements in the bird's diet have helped the beak slowly regrow. Birds' bills are made of keratin, the same material as their fingernails and hair. This week, the broad-winged hawk appears to be eating small, whole mice, meaning the hawk is more willing to use the beak to tear and rip its food. We will continue to offer larger pieces of whole prey as the hawk gets more comfortable using its beak. Swainson's Hawk 2642 came to our clinic from Teutonia, Idaho, after being found in the road due to a suspected car strike. While this bird had some notable eye inflammation as a result of head trauma and some road rash-like scratches on their feet, this hawk was otherwise in good body condition and had no fractures showed on the x-rays. This hawk is now in a larger PCU where they have been flying short distances between perches. Before placing this hawk in our flight barn, we noticed some swelling at the joint between the tarsometatarsus and the digits of the foot. So we have opted to keep the bird inside for now while we treat for potential small infection as a result of the soft tissue injury on top of the foot. Great Horned Owl 2640 came to Teton Raptor Center from Rexburg, Idaho after being found stuck inside a Walmart. After recovering from slight inflammation in both shoulders, this young owl has been flying and eating well in a large PCU. However, they did not demonstrate the ability to capture live prey on their own, which is not unusual for an owl this age, as they are often still relying on their parents to supplementally feed them. Because of this, we are attempting to place this owl in the care of foster owl parents with other fledglings around the same age. Poor weather prevented our attempt last week, so this week we are spending time going to places with known great horned owl activity to hopefully release this owl from our clinic. Owls, along with other raptors, have their eyes fixed in their skull, meaning they cannot move them side to side, and instead they can turn their heads 270 degrees in both directions. They have some fascinating adaptations that allow this, including reservoirs in their blood vessels that prevent blood flow to the brain from being pinched off by the rotating head. That's all for this week's patient update. Remember that if you want to do your part in keeping wild birds wild, you can click the link below to donate or visit our website directly, and we'll see you next week.